So hello students. So now in this lecture we'll discuss how to draw the front view and the top view of the following component. So this is the component in 3 dimensions, or you can say it is the isometric view. Now I will be drawing its front view and the top view from by using the first angle projection. Now here you can see the arrowhead. Arrowhead means for the front view you have to view from this side, and for the top view you have to view from the top. Okay, now I will draw first the front view and then the top view of this. Okay, so this is the component. Okay, so this is the component, and it is having these dimensions as you can take. It is given 45 mm. This dimension is 45, and this dimension is length. This height is 60, and the length is 45. Okay, so it will be L. L is visible. Then there is this wedge is visible. Okay, then you can join this inclined line. Okay, now I will draw the front view first of this. Okay, so here first you need to draw the XY line. I will draw the XY line first. Okay, so this is XY line. Now I will take suitable distance above XY. So it is 10 mm I am taking. Yes, 10 mm. And then I can mark 45 mm length here. It is 45 as it is given 45 in the component. So I will be drawing 45 mm line, horizontal line. So this is 10, 20, 30, 40, this is 45. Okay, so this is 45 mm line. Okay, this line is 45 mm. Now the vertical line is 60. It is given 60. So I will be drawing this 60 mm vertical line. Okay, so this is 60 here. Okay, so this is the length it is given 60. This dimension, the height is 60 and the length is 45. Now this is 15. This dimension is 15. So this line will be also 15. So you can draw a 15 mm long line parallel to XY again. This is 15 mm. Okay, so this is 15, and then this is also 15. It is given here. You can check. This is this dimension is also 15. So you have to mark off 15 from here. Okay, out of the 60, it will be 15. Then this will be 45. Then you can mark 45 here. Okay, so it is 5, 15, 25, 35, 40. So this is 45, and then you can join this. Okay, so again this line is parallel to the base. Okay, and then you can join this. And there is this inclined wedge. Inclined wedge is there. So it is visible in the front view. Okay, because the front is from this side, arrow side. Okay, and this inclined edge is, it will be visible, and you can join this like this. So this is the front view of this component. Okay, okay, whatever is hidden lines are going to be merged. Okay, this portion is hidden. It will be merged with this continuous thick line. So hidden portion, say this is it is not visible here, but it will be merging with this continuous thick line. Okay, so that's why we cannot show this dash lines. Similarly here, this edge is not visible, but this will be coinciding with this continuous thick line. Okay, so this is the front view. Now I will draw the top view now. I will draw the top view. Now you can project this in the top. Here you can simply draw the projectors through this. Okay, so this is the vertical projectors I'm going to draw. Okay, so these are the vertical projectors through all the now in the top view it is, you can see in the top view you can see this 60 and this 45, two dimensions. Okay, 45 and 60, you can make it 60 and 45. So this is already 45. Again you can take it 10 mm from XY just below and then 60. Here it is 10 mm from XY, then I can mark is 60, the vertical. Okay, so this is 60, then this is 45. This is already 45. So it will be a 60 by 45. So 60 this side and 45 this side. 60 by 45 rectangle. Then inside there will be this vertical, this inclined wedge. Okay. Then first I will draw the outer. Then I will make what is inside it. Okay. It is 45. And then this is okay. Now this is, here you can see this rectangle is visible in the top. This rectangle, this upper one, this rectangle is visible in the top view. So you can draw this continuous thick again. And this wedge is there in the top, that is 14 mm. Its thickness is 14 mm in the center. Okay, this is this wedge is 14 mm in the center. Okay, and this is 23 and 23 other sides. So 23 and 23, 46, and plus 14, it is 60. So I will first take 23 up and 23 down of this, and in the middle it will be, because this is similar to the inclined line, but in the top view it will be a foreshortened length. Okay, it will be line parallel to XY in the top view. In the front view it is simply a line, inclined line. Okay, now here again I will be measuring, this is 60. So I can, this is 60 mm. Okay, so I can take the center as 30. So this is the center, and it is 14 mm, then 7 this side and 7 on the other side. So this is the center now. I have marked it. So this will be the wedge. Okay, now you can see this is the wedge at the center, but it will be the lines will be parallel to XY. So this is the wedge. Okay, but here it will be in the top view it will be foreshortened. So this length is foreshortened. You will not be able to see the true length. But here in the front view you will be able to see this true length. Now I will be doing the dimensioning, and the views are over. Okay, views, front view and the top view are there. So these are complete. Now I will show you the dimensioning only. How you can dimension it? Yes. While dimensioning, you need to take care. You need not repeat any dimension, and you cannot skip any. Okay. So you have to mark all the dimensions. Okay, but you cannot miss any. Yes, this is given. These dimensions are given 60. Okay, then this is also given 45. This is given 45. and then it is 14. This dimension is given 14, and okay, and this is 23. This is, first I will draw the extension line. Okay, and this dimension is given 23, and then this is 14. Now I can draw the extension from here as well. Okay, so these dimensions are there. Yes, so it is, now I will be drawing the arrowheads. All dimensions should be there and it should not be missing any. So this is 14. Okay, and this is 23. 14 and 23, and this dimension is, it is 45. Okay, and this one is 60. This is also 60. And this is 15. This dimension is 15. So this is given. So I am not missing any of these dimensions. Okay, so all the dimensions should be there. It should be mentioned. So this is 15. It is given. Okay, so I hope you got it. Thank you. You can erase any unwanted line. Of course, you can add this xy. Of course, you can add this xy. Okay, so now this is complete. Thank you very much.